Hey y'all, if you don't know me, I am Ben, and this is going to be my second video on this YouTube channel. It's going to be a quick exterior clean on a Mazda 3, so I hope you guys enjoy. So starting off with this Mazda, I definitely want to get a really good pre-soak in to get as much dirt and grime off the car as possible. It is finally getting warmer outside here in Ohio, and I could not be more excited. It was a super sunny day outside, so I had to make sure to give it a really good soak and move quick so all the water would not dry up on me. I do use an electric pressure washer that has about 2030 psi and puts out about 1.6 gallons per minute. Since I use this pressure washer just for cleaning cars, it is more than enough pressure just to clean off dirt, but not too much pressure to damage the paint. This is the second ever video on my channel, as I mentioned earlier, so if there's any suggestions, any recommendations, feel free to let me know. With my snow foam attachment, I add my warm water and snow foam mixture. I make sure to get good coverage over the car, as this will definitely help lift away dirt from the paint. It also smells super good and is really satisfying to cover the car with. Using my super soft exterior paint detail brush, I go over any cracks and emblems to agitate and get any hidden dirt out. Using a clean wash mitt and a 2-bucket method, I scrub going with the grain of the car. I tend to wash the car in sections, making sure to wash my mitt in between so it is free of any dirt and debris. Like I mentioned earlier, it was such a sunny day out. You can even see the steam come off the car as I scrub it. Because it was such a sunny day out, I made sure to get in a very thorough post-rinse just to get all the soap off the car. Now before the sun did this step for me, I made sure to break out my towel and get the car dried off as quick as possible so there's no watermarks left behind. Next, I applied tire shine here, and it's really one of my favorite steps because clean and shiny tires always make the car look great. I applied a little wax by hand to the headlights here, and just to get a little bit of the fog off of them, and it actually turned out pretty well. Hey y'all, thank you for watching this quick exterior clean on this Mazda 3. This is one of my very first videos, so if you like anything, disliked anything, let me know in the comments below. Peace.